Hello, Titan families. My name is Shayna Killingsworth, and I'm the media specialist at Jacksonville Middle School. I'm here to give you some information about how to get into HAC to know your students' grades and attendance. Going into HAC is vital for your students' success in order for you to know where they are in their academic standings. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to search for jnpsd.org. Once you come to this website, this is the Jacksonville North Pulaski School District website. From here, you can find a link to go to HAC, which is the Home Access Center. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top where it says Menu. You're going to click on Menu and have this red screen come up. You're going to go down to where it says Parents and Students. Click on Parents and Students to find the drop-down menu. On this drop-down menu, it will say Home Access Center or HAC. When you click here, it's going to send you to a different page. This is the eSchool Home Access Center. Now, one of the most important things on this page to do is to click this Select a District drop-down menu. When you select this, you have to scroll all the way down to find Jacksonville North Pulaski School District. If you do not, even if you put your student's information in to log in, it will not find your student. Once you find the drop down for Jacksonville North Pulaski School District, then you're going to click on it. You cannot type it into the box. You have to search for it down the list. If you are searching on a Chromebook, you can use 2 fingers to move it up and down in order to make the list move. Next, you're going to add your student's username. It is usually their first name, your student's first name, dot or period, and their last name. The first initial of your first name, the first initial of the last name is capitalized. Next, you would put in a password. Now, the password is usually generated for you, and it is uppercase letters and numbers, a combination of those. Now, then you would click Login. You'll be able to find your students' grades, their report cards, their teachers, their schedule. It is a very important website for you to be able to find all the information that you need so you can see how your student is doing academically. Now, if you do not have your student's login for HAC, if you go back to the Jacksonville North Pulaski School District page and you go to Schools, you can find all of your students' school information here. I work at the middle school, so if I click Jacksonville Middle School and I scroll down to the bottom, I am going to find the telephone number to call and ask for my students' HAC login information. Each school you can do that for. If your student is a student at Biomeda Elementary, then if you click on this, it's going to take you to their school website. If you scroll down to the bottom, it is going to give you that specific school's telephone number. Remember, if you need the HAC login information for your student, please do not hesitate to call your school and talk to your counselor or secretaries or your media specialist to be able to find out this information so that you can find out the academic achievements of your student this semester. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.